what's the problem? What's the problem Hash Network came to solve in time of scalability and stability?
Yeah, what problem is Akash solving? And I think he's got some questions around Akash in the future around scalability and
Yeah. So Akash Network is the first viable open cloud. So cloud computing today, the infrastructure side of thing is essentially controlled by few closed companies, Amazon, Microsoft, Alibaba, and Google being the majority stakeholders, right? Majority market, the whole majority of the market. So if you believe cloud is the fabric of human society, all our data, yours, mine, everyone's data is stored on the cloud, and we have no idea who can, how that's handled, and we have no idea how the pricing is done. We have no idea. We have no guarantees that our data is safe. So Akash is the first viable attempt to decentralizing this oligopolized closed system called the cloud computing. Yeah, and the outcome is an amazing non-custodial system where you have complete control of your deployments. That's 97% cheaper than the cloud. And the way we do that is by enabling anybody with compute, be it mostly data center compute, to offer their unused capacity on the Akash network in an open way where developers or the tenants can consume the compute in a reverse auction, right? So the problem we're solving is improving efficiency of global computation, because our thesis is there's enormous amount of unused compute out there. Real, I mean, conservatively, over 85% of the world's compute is not used, and that also brings another interesting point that I haven't touched recently. There is a tweet from A16Z Andreessen Horowitz partner Martin Casero about the repatriation of the data center, right? So a lot of folks are actually building their own data centers because they deem cloud to be extremely expensive. There's one case where he talks about a company saving up to 40%, 40x, sorry, of the cloud bill by building a GPU kit in-house, right? It still doesn't solve the underutilized problem. If that company is not using their hardware 100% of the time, they're still losing money. So Akash, really thesis is like if you have a hardware lying around in a data center that you're not using, put that on the network, let people that see use for their hardware use it, and pay you what you agreed upon, right? So the idea is what we're going after is to improve the efficiency of global computation usage, and thereby also improving energy efficiency, because a lot of times when you have servers that are sitting out there that's turned on, the carbon emissions is not just the servers, but the cooling systems and the whole ecosystem around keeping those lights on. And instead of trying to be expansionary to get more power, we're looking to be more reusable, right? So we're looking inwards to open up what we have already deployed and make that more usable.